y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making some salted caramel brownies. And I'm going to show you the recipe. I hope you're hungry.
This recipe, you're going to need a box of chocolate fudge brownie mix, some coarse sea salt, some Werther's original. So you're also going to need a 2/3 cup oil, 1/4 cup water, 2 eggs. Cinnamon's been busy in the kitchen again. She's got my wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So this is the water, the oil, and the egg. Go ahead and pour it on in there. Give it a good stir. Now, if I could just get Cinnamon in here to wash the dishes, it'd be so perfect. So while I was mixing up the batter, I also had the Werther's original in the pot with a little bit of water and some milk. When the brownies get done, we're going to drizzle some of that caramel on top and some of that sea salt. So now let's just go ahead and pour on in the batter for our baking. Well, this kitchen's gonna smell real good today. We're gonna have brownies cooking or baking. I also picked up some Stouffer's lasagna. So just follow your baking instructions for your brownies. And now we're fixing to put the brownies in the oven. Got it preheated. Ready to rock and roll in there. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, after the brownies have baked and they sit for at least 30 minutes, we'll go ahead and drizzle on the caramel candy that we melted. Let's drizzle it on the brownie. It really smells so great in here. And this looks very delicious. My husband said he couldn't wait to eat some of this. Now, let's pour on some coarse sea salt. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be a salty, sweet goodness. If you like sweet and savory, you should certainly make this. I cut them in 9 square pieces. Some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. I did that for a reason, because we already had some dessert earlier today. I just wanted a small piece. And we'll go ahead and try some. I'd love to have that piece in the middle. That looks like the biggest piece, but I've had so much to eat. I've had some lasagna and some salad. But look at this dessert. Get it in close. Yeah, it's just nothing but ooey gooey goodness. Yeah, I probably should let it cool a little bit more, because I can feel it that's still hot. but I like it a little gooey. Okay, let's break it apart. Look at that. So I'm gonna try a bite. Mmm. That's an awesome brownie. So y'all should make this. It's very, very delicious. It's got that sweet brownie, you know, the fudge, the caramel, and you got that little salty, the sea salt on it. It just, all those flavors just bring it together.
Thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.